Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Fashion Box. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on the latest trend and tips. To wear divine into the world of feminine short pixie cuts. These hairstyles are super popular right now, and we're going to show you some of the most beautiful and trending styles. So stick around, and if you like what you see, don't forget to like and share this video with your friends. Our first style is the classic pixie cut. The timeless look is both and easy to maintain. If features short eyesights and back with a bit more length on top. It's perfect if you want a clean and stylish appearance without much else. If you love the classic pixie cut, hit that like button. We wear the textural pixie cut. This style is all around adding fun missing layers to your hair. It gives your pixie cut a playful volumes look that's great for any everyday wear. If you think the textural pixie cut is cool, share this video with your friends. The long pixie cut is perfect if you want a bit more length while still keeping that pixie wave. This style fu- this style feature longer layer on top which you can style straight or wave. It's a versatile and looks great for any occasions. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you love this look. If you're into bold style, the edge pixie cut is for you. This haircut features sharp angles and as asymmetrically lines give you a drawing and modern appearance. It's a fun way to show off your personality. If you're excited to try the edge pixie cut, give this video a thumb up. Adding bangs to your pixie cut can change up your look completely. You can go off-side bangs or bundle ons. Bangs add a cut touch and can form your face nicely. If you love pixie cut with bangs, share this video with someone who might like this look. The pixie cut with an undercut is a style choosing the cut feature saved sides or back, which makes the top part of your hair start out. It's a bold and fashionable. If you're into the undercuts trend, it that like button. The side pixie cut is all around your hair to on side. This style is amazing and easy to maintain. It's perfect for a polished look without too much effort. If you think the side pixie cut is beautiful, make sure this video is very hopefully. Adding highlights to your pixie cut can make it pop. You can choose from subtle highlights or go for something more dynamic. Highlights and dimension and shine, making your pixie cut stand out. If you love the ideas of highlights, give this video a thumb up. The messy pixie cut is all about a relaxed carefree styles. This look impresses natural texture and adds a fun, desired appearance. It's perfect for a low maintenance yet stylish look. If you like the pixie cut, share this video with your friend. Add some curb to your pixie cut for a bones playful look. Soft curl can give your pixie cut a bit of extra volume and fun. Whether you use a curly iron or let your natural curl shine, this style is sure to impress. Fabulous pixie haircut is very popular and very trending hairstyling and different haircuts and different haircut dyes idea and highlights this hair. The asymmetrically pixie cut feature on site longer than the other, creating a bold and modern look. It's a great way to add some edge to your pixie cut. If you love the asymmetrically style, give this video and share this your friend. Adding volume to your pixie cut can make it look fuller and more styling. Use moisturizing products or a blow dryer to achieve this look. It's perfect for adding some extra flair. If you're into volume, share this video with your friend. This select bag pixie cut is silk and polishers use some hair gel or pro mode to achieve this polished look. It's great for a formal or classic appearance. If you think this slick back look is awesome, hide that like button. The pixie haircut is very unique and very trending haircut styling and different hair cutting ideas for this video. The pixie cut with a head start feature a long thick piece of hair at the front adding and style. It's a nice way to achieve your pixie cut and from your face. If you love this look, make sure to hit that subscribe button. The Prodox Pixie Cut adds volume to the front, cutting a cheek round areas for this head. This style is perfect for those who love a touch of very flair and beautiful look. This cut is very different hairstyling and different hair cutting ideas very popular and very trending content. A side part can change up your pixie cut look with minimal effort. This style adds a bit of dream and is very unique for different hairstyling for different occasions. If you love this side part, hit that subscribe button. The pixie cut with a very modern look and very unique and amazing and pretty look this hairstyle. The feminist pixie cut is very trending and very popular and very trend ideas for this video haircuts and hairstyling. The hairstyle is very beautiful and any face shape is very perfect and very pretty look for this hairstyle. The textural pixie cut with fun layers with bangs. This style adds movement and a cut touch to your pixie cut. If you love the textural pixie cut, This cut is very unique and very popular. I hope this video is very useful. Ideas are haircut and different hairstyling. My channel Fashion Box subscribe.